Hello, all welcome to my channel. While watching the video of some of my mutations I would like to tell you more about my aim of the channel. But I also aim to make informative videos for other breeders. These will be videos to assist beginners on breeding parrots and especially breeding mutations. I will do the videos in simple terms and in a manner to get everyone to understand it and be able to apply them in their own breeding. Later, I will be making videos explaining each of the mutations you see in the photos and also how to breed them. Hope you enjoyed it so far. And if you like to learn more, please hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. I'm glad that you are still watching. As you can see, there are quite a few mutations. Eventually, you will know how to breed all of them. That you are still watching. As you can see, there are quite a few mutations. Eventually, you will know how to breed all of them. Stay tuned, still a lot to see. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe.